Yeah guys, we're in Greiggs today and we're going to hike to a waterfall and we have Jomo. Do it like it.
What's up, what's up?
Yeah, man.
I'm here with the guys and we're just gonna explore a nice waterfall located right in this community, Greiggs.
Alright.
So you guys just stick along and enjoy the tour.
Alright man, you see that? Hand yesterday boy.
Yeah boy.
Easy. Yeah guys, we just started our journey here man. And in front there we have Do It, who's gonna take us to some amazing falls today. So we're on our hike and we're gonna keep you guys updated as we go along.
We just do a couple of nights in the mountain.
Yo, we're out of the city, Yeah guys, we're still on our coast man. We have Jomo taking us. Jomo is our tour guide today, you know. Jomo is the man taking us to this exotic place he say he know in Greiggs. So I head up there now and I have Rachel in the front. We're pushing in the front because our engine is break down fast. You see, you good? Alright.
Yeah, Charlie. We should be in the here, boy. It's an epic hike today, boy. You gay boy Jomo here, so man, bad like yours. You miss out today, man.
Wow. Got dashing. So this is a catchment tank? Yeah. Wow. Whoa. Woo. Nice crackle there, boy. Yo, Jerry. Let me see.
This is a nutmeg.
Alright. Nice crackle there, boy. Yeah, guys, look at some big dashing over there, man. What that? Respect, man. Whoa. Hmm? Yeah guys, look at Bohag here if I want to see a Bohag. Look one here. You look at Hank, you like it? Keep fella there man. Wow. A coconut tree here too. Cocoa boy. Nice. I go take a video of coconut tree? Yeah, man. Alright. You see this guys? This is cocoa man. See cocoa man? What cocoa? Yeah boy. Yeah. Alright. You have farmland thing up here?
Yeah, I just walk land up on top up here.
Alright.
Just call me Shaba.
Shaba.
Original man do step man by the fall in the mountain.
Nice.
Sorry, I couldn't go down level on the excursion. Here.
Man, yeah, you gotta come.
Me and the Rasta man here too, don't I?
Oh yes, Ras, you good?
Yeah.
Alright.
Step man in the mountain if I fall in the mountain.
Right.
Real nice, nice place I go in, you know. Yeah, man. Real nice, I telling you. Just call me Shaba ranking, you know what I mean?
Yeah, man.
That's just my name.
Let me know your face, you know. Let me know your face.
Oh. I keep on the wrong way with that too.
Eh.
I feel like if you walk up a bowlie right there, right up and go right up on top.
I be easier. Alright, but I don't know, man.
You know, I could copy place right.
Yeah. Yeah, guys, we're heading out to the river hike here, boy. We're taking a shortcut today. Guys, we got a new thing. Oh, yeah, boy. Tired. If you notice, the two slow footers coming up behind here. Very slow, but we're waiting for them.
I did my.
Yo! Yeah, guys.
Yeah, bro.
We here going with Mr. Jomo to this amazing waterfall. It's a very nice adventure, but this is not for the older people. This is for good people like me and you. Jomo walk a shortcut here, and I don't know when we're reaching, probably tomorrow. Yeah, man. Yeah, Jomo, you know if a cut and record, man. Do you think? No, we outside. Where's it? Yeah, man. Do your vlog too, man. You do your thing.
Guys, Do It here, and I'm with the guys. Well, they're taking their time, no rush, and right now we are in the beautiful mountain of Greiggs. I really wish the day was sunny. You guys could have get to see pretty much the whole entire mountain range, but it is what it is, and the guys are having fun. So let's just hope the rain doesn't fall too much today. And you can see he's actually enjoying himself on the way up. So yeah. Okay. Yeah, enjoying the breeze.
Grab a sweet boy. Nice walk. Very adventurous.
What are you having?
I just have some cranberry juice. See guys, thank you for subscribing to the fams and follow us. Also have Jomo who owns
Do it, prove it.
Do It, Like It 90s, right?
Yeah.
That is it.
Yeah, make sure like and subscribe and turn the notification bell on.
Alright.
Yeah. I'm here with the guys and they're having fun.
If and Greiggs. But Greiggs and Richard back is together, so we like brothers. Yeah.
Ooh, make some picture boy. So yeah guys, we're at the top of the Greiggs Mountain now. That's the main road. And we're gonna take this road down here now to head to the mountain. See you soon. Yeah man, Ras, where city?
Yes, sir, enough respect. Man.
Yeah man. Hanky?
Yo, yo. The funny med say, boy.
Yeah guy. Yeah Shabba, you like you going outside boy?
When it's dry season now,
Hey.
I could come from here now, I could put mountain.
Anytime. Yeah, anytime.
Go be next.
Say something here to Chad.
Yeah, boy, Chaddy, a nice walk experience today, boy.
A very good adventure, Hank. Where is it? Alright.
Some places today, boy, you never know it exists.
Yeah guys, still on my journey boys. Still on my journey. They say Hank.
Yo.
Look in front of you, somebody have some nice dasheen and thing plant on here. And a nice estate of yam.
Boy.
See that? Yum.
Somebody show the body and then nobody show the body and then that's how it goes.
I say go yeah. Boy. Wow. Yeah guys, so this is the first river. So this is small river, the bigger river.
This river is called Molly Spring.
Molly Spring. Alright, so guys here we got the Molly Spring first river.
Mullet Spring.
Yeah. Molly, and then we're gonna hike over and continue our journey up. Don't worry, you will see us. Yeah boy. Hank, but if you get far along here so. Now walk in this way man, see them. Man see them very slippery here, so now walk in a water boy, yeah Hank? Yeah Jerry, take your time, Take all the time boy. Me going down in the water, you know, Hank. Me don't know about you. But me going down in the water, what you say? Yeah. Let me walk down in the water, Hank, what you say? Up the big guy now, yep.
Normally, what the guys at the forestry division does is that they normally mark the trail.
Right.
So if you're ever in Greiggs and you're looking to find your way, you can just simply look for the markers.
Alright, one of those ribbons.
Yeah. They're pretty much all the way on the track.
Right.
So you can't miss them.
I got you.
You're on your way to the water.
Right.
And most of them yam up here now is like the army purple looking ones.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Really dry.
I bobas.
Yeah. Really dry.
It's easy to some place. You have a truck and go somewhere?
So yeah, as I was explaining earlier.
Piece of little swampy guy. Yeah guys, we're walking through the jungle here in Greiggs, man. A jungle. Look at this. It's daylight, but it's extremely dark inside here. Look at this. Like real dark, but that's it.
Come on, I'm not hurting you. I want to help you.
So man, he's still kind of scared, eh?
Yeah.
And the area swampy boy, you see?
Careful now.
Oh!
Careful boy.
Yeah. Anyway, good walking still, Hank, you see? Come to Richard, say something now.
We in the forest.
Yeah, boy.
Yeah.
So we're in a platform here, and like I think we lost now. We don't know which road to go. So,
To you, Cameron.
eh?
Yeah, boy.
Woo! Yeah, boy.
Yaga.
Say something, Hank.
Man flex today, boy.
Yeah, guys, as you can see, that's the river over there. You can see and hear Mr. Hank here drinking out all the Coca-Cola. See that? And then we're going down to this difficult part to get onto the river. Stay with us. Yeah, guys. So we're going down some difficult part here. This is a real difficult thing. Hank, go down on your bottom, eh? It's easier. Hold on and go down. Go down on your bottom, boy. Yup. Yeah, guys, this part is
Very dangerous.
very challenging and dangerous. Then we fall on that side. That are the wonders of the world. Take your time, man. Just take your time. Really, you coming down?
Yeah, man.
Yep.
See that, guys? This is the wonders of the world.
Come down, let me get you.
Me go come to the man. Man, I saw feel like a you. Yeah. Yeah, guys. On the bad boy hiking, only gangsters.
You know the video good, man. Yeah, boy, hang careful with you, eh? The piece is so kind of bad boy. Woo! Yeah, boy. Woo! Oh, they don't be handicapped. I just walk in the water, man. Woo! Wow. Yo.
Yo.
Yeah, boy. Wow, yep. We make a nice pond here. Yeah, boy. Wow. Wow, boy. Yeah, guys, still hunting for the waterfall, man. Almost there. Follow us.
Yo.
Light up your thing, man.
We here, boy. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, we here, boy.
All right. Yeah, I know what you mean. Boy, hang, take your time. Wait, there's another river there? Yeah. So you have a place go here and alright. Alright. We got like a piece going on here, you see, Hank? We got a piece of everything in there, man, you see? Yeah, guys!
Yo.
Hiking, boy! Yup. man. Then this is the one belong here. Let me come this side first for the father, man. Is it? What's the nice spell? Yeah, boy. We make it, man. We make it. Oh, God. I get you, man. Yeah, guys. Look at this, man. Wow. Damn. Yeah, me boy. So what you say?
So, Mr. Do It, I'm here with the guys. We're at the Twins Waterfall, located in Greiggs. Well, located in Greiggs, and trust me, it's been a beautiful hike, and I can't say for the guys, so they're gonna tell you their experience.
Yeah, man. Hank, what do you think?
Yeah, boy, it's amazing. This is one of the most wonders of the world.
Seriously?
Beautiful, beautiful.
Yeah, man. And Rachel here taking some pictures, man. And we're gonna take a little swim. And then after that, we're probably gonna go to the one below and get a nice little hike there.
Yeah, guys. Twin Waterfall in Greiggs Mountain.
Really? Alright,
It's our tour guide here. Jomo.
Also known as Mr. Do It. So, if you guys are interested in finding me, you can look me up on Instagram, also on YouTube, under the name Do It Prove It. And yeah, I think the guys will have it in their description, so
Yeah,
just go and check that out.
Alright, where's the guy in? Let me get a shot first. Let me get a shot. Where's it?
So yesterday.
Wait, take a shot at this.
Huh? I did. Cool.
Alright, Jerry.
The guys are getting ready to go and take a swim.
Yeah, man.
So they're gonna tell you if the water is nice. You know, I know a lot of you might be looking. Okay, so.
So guys, thanks to Jomo. He was our tour guide today. And again, always big up Jomo. Where you trying him again?
Do it, prove it.
Do it, prove it. Always go to his channel, subscribe, and today watch us dive into the pool, man. Listen.
Yeah.
Alright.
Take one for the fans that can't make it here. And he's up.
What a knife! Show you what's in the corner, guys.
So you guys are getting ready to go in? Yeah.
Yeah, boy. What the one? We have seen nothing, Jerry. Let's let it forward. Come inside the water. Yeah, boy. I think I'm going to jump off you. Woo! Yeah, boy. I'm going wrong the hand come.
Second time. Nice. Okay, okay. A twin jump at the Twins Fall. Yeah.
So we are the Twin Waterfall in Greiggs.
Yeah.
Twin jump, alright?
Okay, okay.
One, two, and three.
They're having a blast. They're having a blast.
Yeah. What's my God? You get me?
Yeah.
That's it, sir. What's the ball? Yeah, Jomo. Yo. Yep. Nice. What is up, boy? Jerry, come up here. Yeah, boy. Yeah. Yo. Got it. Good Jump in here today!
Can you miss that boy?
Yeah, man. Jerry Castle, papaya.
Going to the hardest one.
Alright. We have more walking to do down to this one now.
Okay.
Yeah, right?
So, more 5 minutes. You want more 5 minutes? Okay. So we're gonna check out the other waterfall, and then we're gonna be heading off the pavement, and probably check out another waterfall on the way. Yeah.
When we go to the summer up
Ain't go wrong. So it's time to go and check out the smaller waterfall. The guys already did a little tour of that one.
Alright.
Okay. So the track is gonna get a little bit difficult, but I think they can make it.
Woo! Take your time, take your time, take your time. This is nice, man, is it?
Yeah.
Yeah, man. I'll make it, man. You're good on the bottom, is it? Why? Come on, when you're better out there.
Like I said, you would be the judge of it. No. We come to check out the Twins waterfall, so you gotta do both. Yeah.
I'll get you. Don't yourself, man.
And just remember, if you do fall, I'm not gonna catch you.
Be good, man. Don't yourself, man. You just know how to keep on to me.
Okay then, okay. Let's take your time.
Go on.
Yeah.
So,
Yeah, I was just kidding. Right? So they're taking their time. A mighty glass, man.
eh?
Mighty glass.
Yeah, man. Be good, man.
Ah, you're good.
Come on, you set me up.
No.
Yeah, boy. I almost going somewhere.
Yeah. Check that out.
Boy, this some fun. Jerry, what over there? Yeah, boy. I'm gonna worry about now. You just come and go on my hand. Yeah, boy. Yeah, boy, I make it down.
You made it.
I make it down to the other fall, man. What you see? Watch it, guys. Watch her. Yo. Yep. The other folks probably coming down still. Yeah, boy. Alright, let me go again. Deep clear. Yo. So we're at the second twin fall, but this time we hike it different. We went to the one at the top first, and we're doing the one at the bottom second. So we're gonna go in now and take another swim. And the water is warm, eh? I'm just joking.
Nah, but the water not that cold, man.
Yeah, it's the water. I'm gonna do more. I'm going in there.
Back in the water, you know.
Keep. Go ready for me, drummer. You ready for me, drummer? No! One does up the wall! Is that fun? Why this fun? You want that fun? Hey, shut up. Watch me.
Very well, deep boy.
Deep. Yeah, boy.
Deep para ni wala ta. Oh, hey, are some custom.
Why? Why? Because we can't go. Why? Because what?
I want the fun. Yo! What the? Yo! Come on! Watch out, boy! Woo! Yeah! Yeah, double! I reach it! I got you there, yeah, boy! We gotta get it, we go! Oh! Yeah, guys, so we just finished taking our swim here, and now we're gonna hike and find another fall down on the below. So
Stick with us and you'll see an amazing journey that is ahead of us.
Yep, we're gonna try to find another rock fall.
Those are what you call the beauty of the world.
Yeah, man. You know what me now, watch? Yeah, guys! Hiking down, man! Look at we hiking down! We are doing a good job so far, man. Trust me. Look at that. Woo! Yeah, guys, I have Rachel going over there. You see that? Me watch she before you fall on because she falling on like a leopard here. Oh boy, Rachel, what should I put myself in here too? Yeah, forget about that, Father. Father, have mercy, help me. Watch me reach today. Yeah, guys, so we are hunting for another waterfall, a rock waterfall, but you can see these guys are sitting down because they are so tired. So we are just relaxing with them until they catch their breath and we will go again. Jerry Kulimdi, pull on it thing, man, Jerry. Right. All right. Thank you very much, Hank. Yeah, boy. Watch ya. Okay. Sour. Yeah, guys. So we came up from this when we came up, but now we're going this way. Cause we're going to look for another small fall called a rock fall in Greiggs. So follow us as we're gonna hike through this track. Follow, you know I going live. Come through, Rachel. Woo! Yeah, boy. Still hiking. Oh, I'll get you the good boy. Yeah, guys, still hiking for this other waterfall, man. As you can see, I'm inside a river here, trying to get across the other side, man. Woo! Yeah, boy. Oh, I still have to come here. All right, I think I'll make it. Take a video too. Push your head down, John. Take a video. What do you think? Boy, this is a wicked boy. Yeah, Chumo, you have it there. Yo, 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 yo. Show them
Make them run wave. Weave back way.
Boy, alright. Boy, come hang on. Boy, come on, ready for me? Yeah. Ready for me there? Jerry! I want I'm gonna back stick him. Ready? Go! Whoa! Outside! I'm coming, boy! Boy, what? You're so warm and chill. They have a heater. Yeah, boy! Boy, that's so bad. Boy, that's a nice cherry.
You watch it.
Woo! Come in, Rachel! Woo! Yeah, boy! Jag vill jobba! Press your hand, nu är det stopp för mig! Kör! You missed all day life today, boy! This is epic! Press the jobba! Yeah,
Epic.
Waterfall! Yeah, jumbo, boy!
Not today, not today.
Not
today. Love it. So the goal is to pretty much reach up to this side. Got a nice waterfall up there. They're gonna check it out, but they're just enjoying a little swim. And woo!
Yeah, boy! Yeah, boy! Oh, what's it, boy?
Yeah, make it.
You're going up, let's go!
Yeah.
Let's go! What a place in the trail!
Mind blown. Come.
One more.
I'm gonna show them guys.
Yeah. Yeah, boy, Hank, let me see you. Shit! Oh, boy. Hank, boy. Ready? Wow, Hank. Mau you hold me back when you reach on there? Yeah, boy. Just press your button right up. Yeah, guys, look at that, man. We found another fall while hiking up the river, man. Whoa. Amazing. Yep.
Hey, good man.
Good.
Yeah.
Hold on, eh? Jerry, you want to go first?
Well, just step your foot inside the crack.
Break on them, you know what I mean? Because them don't go. Where's the jumbo? Alright, just hold the back to me, Jerry, eh?
Right. Hey, you're good to go, man. The rope strong, tight good.
Yeah, man. Up the road.
Yeah.
Up the road, boy.
Now this is a real hike.
Yeah, man. Yeah, boy. That's a real thing, man.
You made it up, you made
Yeah,
it up.
man. Yeah, Rachel, take your time, take your time, take your time.
Yeah.
You make it, you make it.
Yeah.
Jerry, the hand come.
Yeah.
Hand come. Easy, Rachel, from here. Boy, look, we have the rope, you see?
Yeah, man.
But when I come back, I go in there. The landscape island change, man, you see?
Auntie, how I live like? Put your
Put your foot in deep, just put your foot in deep and just take your time, come. Jerry, push on my bottom. Take your time.
Right.
Once you reach there, alright, yeah, man.
Look good.
You make it? That's it.
Right.
Yeah, boy. Jerry, you know. This is a real hike, man. Alright, we made it. Keep to this side. Keep to this side. You good? Okay. Yeah, boy.
Yep.
This is not a hiking, man. Listen.
Is it strong? We made it though, we made it. Yeah. It's good.
Yeah, boy. Yeah, we make it, man. We make it. You ready, now? This is what I'm called hiking, man. You ready, now? Boy. Yeah, we're doing on the road there. There's no obstacle. Hold up. Wait, waterfall! Waterfall! Yeah, boy. Alright. Come here and get the camera to back now. I'm going to some nice shots on here, boys. And you? Yeah, boy. We're just somewhere here. Well, not many of you can make it today. But we're doing this just for you. Don't worry. Yeah, man. Look at that. Yeah. Yeah, boy. Yeah, boy. Yeah, boy. Look what we had today. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Woo! Yeah, boy.
Finally made it.
I'm inside right now. Come on!
What's up?
Rachel, never come here.
Never.
Yo! Yeah, boy! Yeah, boy! Give me a little one. I got 5 video on it.
Okay.
Yeah! Guys, watch it, man! Woo! Rachel! Yep. Woo! Wow! Absolutely insane! Yeah! At the wonders in Greiggs Mountain. Woo! Hey guys! Look here, man! Wonders of the world in this beautiful pen! Right here! There we come, the boy! How you reach up the boy? Right here? Yeah. Wow. Oh, you're bad. I know how you made that hike yet, yet. Woo! Oh, you're bad. How you reach up here? Climb up in the water. Yeah, just walk in, yeah.
Check out his reaction! Check out his reaction!
What's coming in? Sorry! Poison! Sorry! Oh, come on here!
Everybody come! Everybody!
Come here! Yeah, man!
You like it?
I love it! We're going to man. You know what to do? Yeah! You come on first. Huh? You come on first. You ready? You done record? Yeah. Boy, watch it, guys. Jump on, show them, man. Yeah, boy. That is wonders of the world. Woo! What I? But you want a bad? Me know that, but me to swim, man.
This is where we go up to the contract. The video over there show you this morning? Yeah.
Whoa. You're bad, you're bad. Hey, hold it, let me go in the floor. You ready for me? You can jump back on here?
Yeah?
You did?
If I tell you!
Ready?
If I tell you, yes!
Richard Wonders of the world! Whoa! Yeah, boy, I love it! I love it, guys! Yeah! Guys! No, guys! If you guys want to experience this, you have to book a tour with Jomo. Yobas, this is wicked. Trust me, bad. They make it? You want to help them? Turn off the GoPro. Yeah. Yeah, boy, look at this, man. Great wonders of the world. Woo! Hey, tell us that one, man. You got something over there? Deep, real deep. Wonders of the world. Where's the lighting?
Right. The only place I know you can go is like right across here.
Jerry, you're gonna enjoy the wonders of the world. Come on. Boy, this is a real waterfall, boy. This is a waterfall. Well, here we have a great day. Hey, bueno, when you come out, you go check on it, show me camera. The camera in there right now, too.
Yeah. You want it? You want it?
Not yet.
Oh.
Go check the thing, let's know yourself. How are yourself? Right now, enjoy the food.
John.
This right here, so?
Yeah, boy. You're real good.
Wonders of the world! Yeah, boy! Yeah, boy! What's your phone here?
Yeah, boy.
Yo, 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 yo. Yeah, guys, so we are here at the pavement, man. There's Hank. Just arrived at the pavement. We're gonna take one little swim and then we gotta get out of the mountain because it's getting pretty late. So we don't want to be too late here, if you know what I mean. So yeah, guys, this is the pavement here. Let me give you guys a taste of it. Located in the Greiggs Mountain. You know, look at all this beautiful pond of water, man. You can come here, swim, have some fun, do whatever you want, and boom bada boom bada boom bada boom. This is the pavement. Yeah, boy, I like it. Yeah, guys, welcome to pavement. Yep. Oh boy. Wow. Wow. Yeah, boy. So this is the pavement here, boy, not you? Guys, this is the last view of our last trip for the evening. We are at the pavement river here. Pavement in Greiggs Mountain. Look at that. Yep. Look at that. Yeah, man. Beautiful. Yo, yo! Right, City. I'll have anything to say?
Yes, subscribe to the channel and make sure follow on Instagram. Okay?
Done. Yeah, guys, so we have to make it out of the mountain alive and safe. It was a very good adventure today. And I have over there Mr. Shaba, right? Shaba, where is he?
Yeah. Well,
and
I see a man who know the mountain good, so if you want to come in the mountain, just get in touch with me.
Alright, you hear that? You hear that?
It's enough beauty there in the mountain.
Right. Yeah, guys, so we're ending the video here now. We'll see you next episode. Don't forget to subscribe to Farms Production. And here I have Mr. what?
Mr. Do It, also known as Jomo. We had a great time today. Epic.
Yeah, man. So see you guys in the next episode. Ciao for now.